Most people think pet urine is gone once the stain disappears, but inside a car, heat brings the smell right back, and some cleaners actually make it worse by pushing the mess deeper into the carpet. So I tested the best options people are using right now, and these are the car carpet cleaners for pet urine actually worth buying. Links to every product are in the description. First up is Chemical Guy's lightning fast carpet and upholstery stain extractor. This is one of the best budget-friendly options for fresh pet accidents and light stains. What makes it stand out is how fast it works on car interiors. You spray it directly onto the carpet or upholstery, lightly agitate the area, and it immediately starts lifting grime and odor. Unlike some heavy household cleaners, this one is designed for automotive interiors, so it works really well on seats, mats, and carpet without leaving fabric overly soaked. It is especially good for drivers who want something simple and easy to use without spending a lot. The only downside is that deep-set urine smells may need a second treatment, but for quick cleanup and everyday pet messes, this is easily one of the smartest car carpet cleaner options on Amazon right now. Next is Rocco Roxie Supply Company Stain and Odor Eliminator. If your biggest problem is odor that keeps returning every afternoon when the car heats up, this is the one to pay attention to. This cleaner uses an enzyme-based formula that attacks the organic source of pet urine instead of simply masking the smell with fragrance. That matters because trapped odor inside car carpet padding is usually the hardest part to remove. This product is popular for a reason. It consistently ranks as one of the top pet stain removers online because it handles both odor and stains extremely well. It is especially useful for older urine accidents that other cleaners failed to fix. The trade-off is that enzyme cleaners need patience. You usually need to let the formula sit and fully break down the residue before wiping it away. But if odor elimination matters more than speed, this is one of the best products you can buy. After that comes Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Formula. This is a great option for people who want a more premium trusted brand with strong stain removal performance. Bissell has a huge reputation in carpet and pet cleaning, and this formula focuses specifically on pet stains and odor removal. What makes it stand out is the balance between cleaning power and ease of use. It works especially well for car owners dealing with repeated dog accidents, muddy paw stains, or stubborn spots that regular sprays cannot fully remove. It is also popular with portable carpet cleaner users because it performs well in deep cleaning machines. The only thing to keep in mind is that some buyers assume it is only for machines, but many people also use it manually for spot treatment. If you want a cleaner from a trusted name with strong buyer confidence, this is a very safe choice. Next is Bubba's Super Strength Commercial Enzyme Cleaner. This is the heavy-duty option for serious odor problems. If you already cleaned the stain before but the smell still comes back, this is the type of formula designed for that exact situation. What separates Bubba's from many generic cleaners is that it targets deep organic contamination inside carpet fibers and padding. In enclosed spaces like cars, that makes a huge difference because odors get trapped much more aggressively than they do in open rooms. This cleaner is especially effective for old pet urine smells, repeated accidents, or vehicles that transport pets regularly. The downside is that enzyme cleaners are slower than basic spray cleaners, so you need to give it time to work properly. But for stubborn odor elimination, this is one of the smartest products available. And finally, there's Nature's Miracle Advanced Stain and Odor Eliminator. This is one of the most recognizable pet stain brands on Amazon, and it remains popular because it is beginner-friendly and easy to trust. The formula is designed to handle both stains and odor while being safe for carpets and upholstery. It works especially well for moderate pet accidents and everyday cleanup situations. A lot of people like this one because it feels less aggressive than industrial strength cleaners while still giving solid results. It is also widely available and usually priced well compared to premium alternatives. The only limitation is that extremely deep odors may require multiple treatments. But for most car owners dealing with occasional pet accidents, this is still one of the safest all-around choices. A lot of people make the same mistake when cleaning pet urine in a car. They scrub too aggressively, which pushes the mess deeper into the carpet fibers. Others use too much product and leave behind residue that attracts more dirt later. And the biggest mistake is expecting instant results from enzyme cleaners. Some of the best odor removers need time to fully neutralize the source of the smell. So here's the quick breakdown. If you want the best automotive-focused cleaner for fresh stains, go with Chemical Guys. If odor is your biggest problem, Rocco Roxie is the strongest overall choice. If you want a premium trusted brand, Bissell is a great option. If you are dealing with severe recurring odor, Bubba's is one of the best enzyme cleaners available. And if you want a safe beginner consumer-friendly all-around cleaner, Nature's Miracle is still a solid pick. Check the links in the description for all the recommended products. And if this video helped you avoid wasting money on weak cleaners, consider subscribing and comment what you want reviewed next.